Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the JeepSolid Garage. I'm Dale. I'm glad you're here. So this is part 2 of a series where we are replacing the seals on Jason's transfer case. He was getting a lot of leakage on his 1993 Jeep Wrangler YJ Sahara. It was just leaking like a sieve under there. So we're replacing a lot of the seals, and we started with the transfer case. So let's check it out, see how we're doing. Rattlesnakes!
Don't drop it.
Actually had this for a... And here we are. Jason is working hard on those seals. Got that cover off the input shaft on the transmission there, so he's doing that seal right now. Are you having fun, Jason?
Kinda. It's early in the morning. I'm looking forward to using the Jeep again.
Getting the RTV on there. Doesn't have to be fancy, as you can tell, alright? And he's got the seal on the tail cone there. Hang on.
It's all part of the plan.
And we're working on getting the new seal in the transmission there. Alright, we got all the seals in place. Now we get the fun job of lifting it up into its spot. Alright, we're rolling.
This is live, right?
Yep.
Oh, this is really heavy.
Alright, let's do it. Put it on your jack. That's fine. Keep it going.
It's not gonna fit. And yet again, I saved the frame from any kind of impact damage with my hand. You really think people want to watch this? You got it?
Yep.
I gotta grab the...
It's going to be as easy as lifting it up into place.
Yep.
Here, can you hold a second? I want to put it on time lapse so I don't have like 10 minutes of just
Struggling. It's only gonna take 10 minutes?
So we've kind of assessed the situation, and Jason is like the starting pitcher here, where he's under there doing the majority of the work, and I'm here just sitting in the bullpen waiting to be called in to close out the game at the very last minute when he runs into a trouble. So just enjoying my coffee while he's down there wrenching on getting that transfer case installed. And one thing you want to be sure to do, you notice there's a one of the caps off the U-joint there. So something Jason neglected to do, probably because I didn't tell him, when you release your front...
Why do you need to tell me things?
When you take your front drive shaft off here, you don't want the caps to fall off your U-joint there, so take a little bit of masking tape, put it over there, keep the caps from falling off, then you don't have to fight with losing needle bearings.
For the record, it was good all day.
So we've just got to throw the skid plate back on, reattach the drive shafts. So be sure to hop on over to my next video right up here. Thanks for watching.